Well, it's finally here. I finally got my new lathe, so here's the unboxing of the new Nova Galaxy. All right, so it was a little bit bittersweet. I got it, and it's actually already broken. It was broken out of the box, I think. So I used it the first time on the conduit, electrical conduit casting live stream Dunkin' Junk last week. And I noticed that the spindle was getting way hot. I mean, so hot that it actually made the live center on the tailstock hot. So there was a problem. Probably the spindle bearings are out, or I don't know what, but Nova's been on it. There's actually been one other issue with this. If the headstock is all the way to the left on the bed, the tailstock and the headstock don't line up. If you move it 6 inches over, they kind of line up. So something's weird with the bed also. So Nova's been pretty good about this. They got already, like the same day, they got a replacement bed and headstock ready to ship to me. So I'm ready to get those. First impressions, you know, I used it on that live stream and I enjoyed it. It's awesome with this motor. It just screams. Now, there was obviously something wrong with it. I don't know if you caught it at the end of the video. It sounds kind of like the bearings are out, basically. And I noticed that the first time I just turned it on, but I guess it is true. So anyway, I'm anxious to get the replacements, and when I do and get some time on it, I'll go through and kind of give a little bit more of a, you know, how do I like it, you know, after using it for a while. But so far I'm excited about it, and I can't wait to get good parts, good, you know, whatever, a good motor and a better bed. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, definitely leave those down below. I'm out there on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, leaving posts about what I'm up to in the shop daily and weekly. You can catch me over there. I'm also doing live broadcasts every Wednesday at 2 p.m. Pacific time on Twitch. So my channel is twitch.tv/nvwoodworks, and that's where I do Dunkin' Junk. And I get the audience, the live audience involved. They pick what we're actually casting, and they help with the casting, you know, what colors and which resin and all that kind of stuff. So hope to see you over there. So until next time, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.